Let's solve the biggest issue for Hollyland Lark A1 USB type receiver users. So if you only have this receiver USB-C, but you want to connect this receiver to your iPhone, Lightning model iPhone, I show you the simple way. You just need this female USB-C to male Lightning connector. So it's a converter adapter. It's very cheap. It's $2, just $2 on Amazon. I will give the product link in the description. You can buy that if you wish. You just take that and connect like this. You can also connect like same. Flip, connect. Take your Lightning iPhone and just plug it. It's done. You can see the light indication and you just directly open the voice memo app. Let's check it. You can clearly see the straight line. It means the noise cancellation is working. It says the phone is recording using your microphone. Let's see. Straight line, it means the noise cancellation is working. There is no background noise. It clearly says it's working because it's going to work. There is no device in it. So the connection will be here and it will just convert the connection into these points. So it's not a rocket science, it's a simple thing. It's definitely going to work when you use this converter or adapter on these things. So it's working. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about Hollyland microphone, you need to watch this playlist.